Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best marbling paint kit is probably one of the most versatile and fun art supplies you can find, allowing you to create mesmerizing patterns and designs on various surfaces like paper, fabric, wood, and even eggs. This video will dive deep into what makes a marbling paint kit worthwhile, exploring different kits, techniques, and the overall creative experience it offers, helping you decide if it's the right artistic adventure for you. Number 5. Water Marbling Paint Kit. Unleash your creativity with this exciting new painting technique. It's easy to use and perfect for kids and adults alike. Forget traditional painting. Simply drop paint onto water, swirl it into amazing patterns, and transfer your creation to paper, eggs, or any smooth surface. This complete kit includes 10 vibrant colors, 20 art sheets, a tray, brush, comb, and more. You'll have everything you need to start creating right away. It's made with safe, non-toxic materials, so you can paint with confidence. It meets all the required safety standards for kids. It's perfect for kids' activities, classroom projects, or even crafting gifts for special occasions. The possibilities are endless. Looking for a unique and fun gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to be a hit with kids of all ages. What we like? It has a complete set of supplies and 10 paint colors, allowing for a wide range of creative exploration. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit to unleash your child's creativity, this is the one. It's also safe and non-toxic, perfect for young artists. What people say. The kit is incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for children as young as 3 and still engaging enough for older kids up to 13. The colors are vibrant, and the marbling effect is mesmerizing to watch as it unfolds on the water's surface. The water marbling technique included in the kit allows kids to create mesmerizing and unique patterns on various surfaces. With the easy-to-follow instructions and a range of vibrant colors, children can explore their creativity and experiment with different designs. Number 4. National Geographic Mega Arts Kit. This amazing kit combines 3 popular crafts into one. Get ready to create over 19 unique pieces of art with over 100 components. Create 3 dazzling mosaic works of art. Use the templates or let your imagination run wild. Make beautiful marbled paint designs and transfer them to the included sheets for framing. They also make great gifts. Craft 4 nature-themed pottery pieces, ornaments and a ring dish. Personalize them with the included paints and brushes. We use only the highest quality materials. If you have any issues, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like? This kit offers 3 different craft experiences in one. If you want variety and educational value, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy exploring different art forms and learning new techniques. What people say. Really nice kit for some different crafts. The National Geographic Mega Arts Kit is a fantastic set for kids who love to explore different artistic activities. It comes with a great variety of materials, including rock painting, scratch art, and colored sand, which kept my child engaged for hours. The instructions are clear, and the quality of the materials is excellent. This kit is jam-packed with fun. Between the marbling, mosaics, and air-dry clay, my 9-year-old has been in creative heaven, and honestly, so have I, minus the glitter situation in my kitchen, but we're surviving. It kept her entertained for hours, which in parent terms equals peace and quiet. The instructions are clear, the materials are good quality, and there's a great variety of projects. Number 3. National Geographic Marbling Paint Kit. Unleash your child's creativity with this exciting arts and crafts kit. It's so easy to make beautiful marbled paint designs and then transfer them to paper for framing and displaying. These works of art also make wonderful personalized gifts. This all-in-one kit has everything you need: paper, paints, a tray, thickener, styluses, a dropper, and easy instructions. It's perfect for budding artists of all ages. First, mix the water and thickener. Then add paint, swirl it, and dip the paper to transfer the design. It's that easy to create impressive works of art. The included learning guide teaches the history of marbling, how it has been used across cultures, and how artists use this technique today. It's educational and engaging. We are committed to providing the highest quality hands-on science toys. If you have any issues, please let us know, and we'll make things right. We stand behind our products. What we like? It's incredibly easy to use, with simple steps to create beautiful marbled art. If you are looking for a straightforward and fun marbling experience, this kit is perfect. The learning guide adds educational value, making it a great choice for curious minds. Number 2. Klever Kit's Marbling Paint. It allows you to create metallic colors, making your artwork more vivid and shiny. Let your creativity shine. Everything you need is included, from paints and tools to art sheets and cards. You'll have everything you need to start creating right away. The drying rack keeps paint drips contained and makes drying your creations easy and efficient. Enjoy a clean and organized crafting experience. Our exclusive gold metallic paint adds a touch of luxury. Experiment with different techniques to create mesmerizing marble effects. It features safe, non-toxic pigments, making it perfect for kids and adults. It's a fun and educational STEM activity. It's ideal for art classes, STEM projects, or just for fun. It makes a thoughtful gift for birthdays or holidays, suitable for kids aged 6 and up. What we like? This kit stands out with its unique metallic gold paint and a practical drying rack. If you want to add a touch of luxury and convenience to your marbling experience, this is the kit for you. The included greeting cards offer an extra creative outlet. What people say? Great little painting kit, my daughter really enjoyed it. My 7-year-old is obsessed with art. She's constantly watching videos online of different art techniques and she has been fascinated with this marbling technique for a while now, so when I saw a beginner child-friendly kit on Amazon and at such a good price, I had to try it. My daughter spent hours and hours in our art room today making different designs and she's ready for more. Better marbling kit with thicker and brighter colors, less ink choice though. Thickness of paper more suited to marbling. Number 1. Rainbow Marbling Kit. It's the perfect way to get kids away from screens and spark their imaginations. Watch them create amazing marble art with ease. This kit makes creating art quick and simple. Just mix, shake, and pour. It's that easy to get started. With this kit, the possibilities are endless. It allows for over 50 unique designs, so your child can express their creativity freely. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is ideal for kids who love arts and crafts, perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. It's designed to inspire and help your child develop their artistic skills. The high-quality materials ensure hours of creative fun. Give your child a fun, creative outlet that will keep them engaged and away from screens. It's a fantastic way to encourage imaginative play. What we like? It's incredibly easy to prepare and offers a wide array of rainbow color options. If you want vibrant colors and endless design possibilities, this kit is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love bright, cheerful art. What people say? Kit was easy for children and fun for adults too. This was fun, very easy to use. Came with everything you needed. Just add a little water and you get it. The instructions are well written and easy to follow. The carrageenan base solution is no wait, then just add drops of color and place the A5 paper down, then lift up with the tweezers. It's got lots of combs, frames, and accessories. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.